have checked into the Airbnb by then. So hopefully the food is good. It is considered authentic Puerto Rican food. So yeah, we didn't even get to try authentic Puerto Rican food when we came last time. So I'm excited to try it. But yes, I'll see y'all when we get to the food place. Y'all, we made it. Oh, I forgot my mics for my camera. This is like our first family trip ever. No, like with my aunt and stuff, because I've taken family trips before with my like immediate family, but this is fun. Okay, so Mom, stop. We get a that's my sister. Oh, how you know? Oh, because I said mom. It's his sister. Okay, what's the menu? What's the menu? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. We went to the last place, it was no chicken, no nothing. So, Thanksgiving menu. Oh, you did? They got chicken. We got some pina coladas, daiquiris. This good. Cheers. Cheers with your water. Cheers. Cheers. Puerto Rico. Happy birthday, Anisi. Hey y'all, we made it to the Airbnb and I gotta show y'all.
We had the top of nights when one comes too soon. In other words to say, watch me. We had the top of nights when one comes too soon. Watch me going out of the way when I should've went home. Only time of the day I get to spend on my own. I was tripping off. I used to sleep at your crib. Should drive out right where you live and pick you up on the way. We ain't spoken so long. Probably put me in the past. I can still get you wet and I can still make you laugh. You should call in to work if that ain't too much to ask. I could pour you up a drink and we can burn something. Come through, come through, come through, come through. Girl, you know we got things to do. Girl, you know we got things to do. So get lost and come through, come through.
It is day 2 in Puerto Rico and we're on a Rainforest tour. We're at a pit stop and we're going to get a smoothie. Yeah, we were asleep on the bus, but we should be at the Rainforest really soon. And I'm gonna get a mango smoothie. We didn't eat nothing yet, so yeah. want to go on it? No, because people are sitting up. Some people are laying down. See? Yeah. Yeah, you don't have to.
I'm dreading going back.
Oh, okay. Oh, you're gonna have fun at the beach, huh?
Right.
Oh, this is beautiful over here. Y'all, we are on the beach now. This is the second part of the excursion, coming to the beach. And we're gonna be here for like an hour. Look at the water. Hey, mamas. Oh, it feels good. It's not as cold as the other place.
Wait, te voy a tirar un piso, baby. Wait.
You about to be, your face about to be turned up.
Yeah, you got it? What's happening? What is this called?
Pitorro.
Pitoro. Cheers! Puerto Rico! Alright. So we came back from the Rainforest tour. We had our moo-moos on, chilling. So we waited until it's like 10:15. We're about to go out. This is the tip for the night. I got this dress from Didi's Discount, actually, and it's like bedazzled. It's from Forever 21, actually. It's like a festival outfit, I guess. It said Festival Forever 21, so Coachella just came up, so I guess this was like something dedicated to that. But yes, this is what I'm wearing. I got some like silver sandals on, and we're going to La Casita. And this is my cousin's first time in Puerto Rico, my sister's first time in Puerto Rico. So we're gonna show them La Casita. So we're going to have a great time and head out right now. I think I am gonna bring my, actually I won't bring my camera. I'm gonna just use my phone, only because I'm bringing a small pouch, not a purse. So I'll see y'all at La Casita. Yo, we just car hopping at this point. Puerto Rico!
Let's roll like the shit is.
We're waiting for my family to come, but this is a fit. I got this from Depop, but it's misguided. My my shoes are from Rainforest, and then I just have a board. Yeah! After this, I don't know what we're doing, but 4 p.m. we got salsa dancing class, so can't wait for that. Cheers! Record. Yeah. We got our food. Mine's just kind of dry. I'd rather eat it separate, honestly, but I like to drink with shot. Shot is my mate. I like to drink with shot. I like to drink with Kia, because Kia is my mate. I like to drink with Kia. I like to drink with Nisi, because Nisi is my mate. I like to drink with Nisi. I like to drink with Nay, because Nay is my mate. I like to drink with Nay. I like to drink with Leia, because Leia is our mate. We like to drink with Leia, because she is down to 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Hold on, you're not right. You're not right.
Don't let it die. Don't let it die. Don't let it die. Where you want to stop?
It's like hives though.
Who would have probably kicked in a few hours, I think you are right. Well, it might just be hogs, because I ain't gonna lie. Like,
Cheers. Puerto Rico. You ain't drink it all. It's a frozen drink. Thank you. Mama's gonna want the candy. She already looking. Well, we are here for the salsa dance class, and we're excited.
Let's go.
Annie's birthday.
Our rhythm will never change. Ready? Forward left, back right. That'll never change, okay? Keep going. Left foot forward. Alright, does that make sense? Yes. How's your Spanish? What does that mean? You were on Duolingo before you got here, right? Have you guys heard of the word? Okay. Have you heard of the word sour? Means flavor, right? We say la masa buena, masa cero, the more flavor. One to the left, one to the right. Again, one to the left, and one to the right. You guys gotta notice in salsa, we never leave the center, right? Away, we come back. Are we okay? Shall we try?
yeah, I keep forgetting this will stay this way, right?
Can we go faster?
Yeah. I'm ready.
Let's go.
Take me through that. Take me through that.
Like a freestyle.
I'll tell you what, okay? Get over here. I'll give it back, I promise. So leaders, my palms go underneath. Followers, your palms on top. Our steps joint change. Always forward left, always back right. The only difference, when I step forward, they step back. We come together, I step back and they step forward. Okay? So I step where my partner is, we come together, I step back, they step where I am. Does that make sense?
Yes. See.
Yeah, so get over there, girl. Let's try it. So, leaders, you start forward first always. Followers, you start back first always. Let's try it.
So you the
5, 6, 7, we go.
We definitely should run some water.
We did.
Hola, Matecita. Hola.
You working out this weekend? Can you hold this? I'm about to put my hair back.
Yeah.
I'm about to hold this and do that.
Yo, it's a lot going on. After this, what we doing?
Showering.
Now we going to Old San Juan to get engraved bracelets, and then we can go home.
Alright. I just know I'm gonna go shower.
She having fun. You having fun, babe?
I am. I'm learning it. Look at me. Look what is.
Look at our outfits. We're matching.
We Puerto Rico, yo!
Yes, we are. Puerto Rico.
Look, the turn's gonna happen for the follower. As a leader, I'm gonna continue my basic forward and back.
So
I
you
don't
only
change, okay? So have a look, basic step. We have our basic, you know this. Leaders, you're doing 3 things this time. So, I step forward, I drop the hand to the hip. You know this like the basic step, yes? Mm-hmm. And so I bring my feet together, hands gonna go all the way up to the top.
That makes sense.
I know they're gonna turn, okay? Right. So I drop it down, I lift it all the way up.
That means go back.
When I step back, I use the hand on the back and push it up the roof. You go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Hand down, hand goes up, turn. 5, basic step. What? Okay, wait. Hand goes down, hand goes up, leader step back. 5, basic step. Go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Yes, Mama.
5, 6, 7. Side to side, go. Oh, no crap. Basic step, go. Ready, open, go. Basic step, go. Hand goes down, hand goes up. Hey, one more time. Ready? Hand down, hand up.